Overhauling of pneumatic tripping mechanism. These are the pneumatic housing. It consists of tripping coil, control wall assembly and pneumatic housing. For the removal of control wall assembly, we open these bolts. After this process, we detach the trip coil and remove control wall assembly. These are the image of pneumatic control wall assembly after the separation from circuit breaker mechanism box. Cleaning process is done after the separation. We use petrol or diesel for the cleaning purpose. Opening of internal parts of control wall assembly. This is control wall piston assembly. It consists of piston housing part and latch triggering housing. This is the lower part of piston. This is piston O-ring. This is piston spring. This is tripping latch assembly. This is trip latch housing assembly. These are the internal part of trip latch assembly. This is trip latch, trip trigger, clamp, latch spring housing. Internal part of latch assembly includes lock pin, washer and bush. Reassembling of control wall assembly. Each and every part should be lubricated with Derina grease before applying or fitting it. First we assemble latch spring, then trip trigger. This is the lock pin. Let's start assembling process. Now we assemble trip trigger with latch spring, lock pin, bush, washer and circuit pin. After the assemble of trip trigger, we must lock the lock pin with circlip pin. Derina grease is applying on bush. Fitting of cam. Now we assemble trip latch. Assemble of control wall assembly is completed.